Happy birthday, Ate Ningning. Happy birthday, Lilet. Happy birthday.
Sige mo sa happy birthday, Ate Ningning.
Okay, happy birthday, Ningning. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and more children to come. Regards to Stig, Celine. Hello, Celine. And hi, Marcus. Okay. Happy birthday, Ning. Okay, again, stay healthy. Okay. And strong. Happy birthday.
God bless you. Love you, anak ko. Ingat kayo, ha.
Happy 40th birthday, Ning. Wish you all the best. You deserve everything. You're a good sister, mother, a daughter. So, I hope na you always have a good health and just fulfilled all your dreams. You are blessed with the two beautiful, amazing children. And alam mo na, basta lagi lang kami na rin nandito. God bless you more and good health and more birthdays to come. At sa friends mo dyan, thank you for organizing this birthday for my sister, for our sister. So thank you so much and God bless you all. See you soon. Bye. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, best.
Hello, Vic. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and may the good Lord God bless you always and protect you. Inhale all the positive energies and exhale the negative. So, wag ma-stress. Okay? Ingat lagi and take care of your health. Enjoy your day with your loved ones and we wish you all the best on your special day. We are always here for you and we love you. Okay? Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 40th birthday to our friend Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Tante Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Beck. God bless. Enjoy your 40. Hapit na po ko dito. Hapit na. Malapit na. Mauna na kayo.
Happy birthday, Beck. I wish you the best of everything, especially good health, peace, and happiness. Bye-bye.
Hi, Vic! Advance happy birthday! Sorry talaga ha, hindi ako makapunta sa surprise birthday celebration mo today. Kasi arbeidsel ako ang hirap talagang mag-absent. But anyway, just enjoy your day together with our beautiful and handsome friends here in Trondheim. So, pina-advance ko na lang yung birthday gift ko sa'yo, yung slideshow, pinagawa ko sa, secret ko. No, just joking. But anyway, I just hope nag-enjoy ka sa slideshow mo. At saka pasensya, ninakaw ko lang yung iba doon sa Facebook mo. At saka yung iba binigay sa mga ibang friends na para ma-compile for the slideshow. So again, happy birthday and I just hope you always have a good health and just be happy with your family. Okay, see you when I see you. Bye-bye.